HOOBAE. HOOBAE. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word HOOBAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 173. HOOBAE. HOOBAE. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is hu, the second syllable is be. Pronounce it with me. HOOBAE. HOOBAE. The word HOOBAE is the opposite of sonbae. This is someone who is younger in terms of experience. Again, HOOBAE is someone younger in experience. How do we write HOOBAE in Hangul? It has two syllables, and the first syllable can be written by drawing first a hiu character followed by an u character. If you would notice, the hu part is sometimes written as hu and sometimes it is written as hoo. And both of those are correct in terms of romanization. But you just have to remember that when writing the hu part, it is spelled as hiu plus the u character. Now for the second syllable be, we need to draw first a biup character followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine the hangul for each of these syllables to form the hangul of the word HOOBAE. Now let's try to look into this English term. It says junior. Again, the opposite of senior is junior. And the Korean translation of this is HOOBAE itself. Again, junior is HOOBAE in Korean. If sonbae is the term for people that has more experience than you, the people that has less experience than you are called your junior. Again, for these terms, we're more concerned with the experience and not the age. However, generally, those people that has more experience than us are those people that are older than us in terms of age. At school, we call our seniors sonbae, and we call our juniors HOOBAE. But at work, it doesn't matter if that person is older than you or younger than you in terms of age or in terms of year of graduation. What matters is the experience of that person. So, whomever has longer experience than you at work, you call them sonbae. And whomever has less experience than you at work, you call them HOOBAE. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word or the term HOOBAE is simply junior. And with that, you've just learned HOOBAE. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 163 to 172. But don't forget our word for today, word number 173, HOOBAE, which is a junior or someone younger in terms of experience. Word number 172 is sonbae, or a senior, which is someone who's older in terms of experience. Word number 171 is anwe, and this is an informal way of saying no or no way. Word number 170 is kol, and this is used to say deal or I agree with something. Word number 169 is joesonghamnida, and this is used to say I like you. Word number 168 is nado, which means me too. Word number 167 is agi, and this is the Korean noun for baby or a young human. Word number 166 is onuldo, which means today too. Word number 165 is torawa, which means come back. Word number 164 is haru, which is the Korean noun for day. And word number 163 is pabo. This is an adjective which means dumb or fool. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.